As an entrepreneur, you put a tremendous amount of effort, thought, and hard work to get your business up and running. These 5 most important business skills can help you grow your company, reduce your risk, and make more money. Sales and marketing. Sales is the lifeblood of any business. Without customers buying your product or service, there is no business. Marketing as an entrepreneur is not about a single marketing strategy, but more about using a toolkit of new marketing practices to get a foothold and compete against large and small companies offering similar services. Consider marketing for your target demographic or broaden your campaign to a wider audience with tools such as a website, classified ads in the newspaper, online ads such as Kijiji, Marketplace, Craigslist, and more, using social media such as Facebook and Instagram. Consider direct mail flyers and a referral or customer loyalty program. Good marketing increases leads and sales. The more sales, the more profit. Customer focus. The most successful entrepreneurs keep a narrow focus on their paying customers. Customer expectations are higher than ever before, and every job or product is scrutinized more intensely than ever. A good entrepreneur will always have time for a customer, whether it is to hear praise or to hear a complaint. Consider a complaint as free quality control checks. Communication. Effective communication is essential for any business, but more so for a small business or entrepreneur. The ability to effectively communicate with both customers and investors is critical for your success. Communication is more than just being a great speaker. It's about the ability to listen and digest information and using different mediums to get your message across. Do you engage in email or are you via phone only? Do you have a website? How are your customers going to find you? Communication and marketing work together to help an entrepreneur get noticed. Business strategy and planning. Most entrepreneurs have a business strategy mapped out in their heads. However, the importance of developing a formal written business strategy cannot be understated. Writing down your plan can help identify gaps or errors. It can also help structure a step-by-step growth plan with actions and milestones. Successful entrepreneurs have a solid, formal business strategy that they can share with investors and help keep them on track too. Curiosity and adaptability. Curiosity leads an entrepreneur to learn about what competitors are doing, what technology is available to help the business grow, and what other opportunities there are for you, the entrepreneur. Adaptability allows the entrepreneur to accept surprises, remain calm, and develop new solutions as challenges present. A curious entrepreneur embraces adaptability for the success of the business. If you believe in what you are doing, develop your entrepreneurial skills, and focus on your customers using a solid business strategy, success will come your way.